Hi, good morning, everyone. My name is Landria Mariti, and I will be your teacher for your MAT 011 Transitional Algebra class. And I just wanted to clarify some information about how our first class meeting will go. I know that you received an email from the course coordinator saying that all MAT 011 hybrid classes would meet on campus, but our particular class will meet online for our first class meeting. And if you read the rest of this email, you'll have information about how to do that. If you cannot meet online or uncomfortable with the meeting online for our first class, you may come to our class face to face on the Cooper campus in MB 109. I will be in that room at that time, but I will be conducting the meeting online, but there's plenty of computers there where you can log on. So I hope this is not too confusing for you, but we will meet online. Read the rest of this email, and you may come into class if you like on that day, but you do not have to. Looking forward to meeting all of you. Some of you I know already from previous semesters. Can't wait to start working with you for this class. Bye-bye.